Hello there. This is a message from afar that's being transmitted to humanity from another star system. We've been watching your planet and society for quite some time. You aren't aware of many things occurring in your world and around your solar system. We came to warn you about the secret agendas that are imposed upon humanity. Luckily, you have the opportunity to change all of this. There is great chance for the human race to evolve and become creators in the universe because you've been gifted with diverse, life-giving properties. You must be aware that there are many beings want to take away all you have from you secretly. The human race can become a remarkable society in the universe if they start doing the right things that will save the world from now on. You can't trust any alien beings that come here. There are many of them here. Some have been here for a while to carry out their own secret agendas. Your planet is a magnificent planet filled with life and biodiversity. No alien worlds are equal to Earth. Most alien planets are barren and deserted. You have to protect your planet and your society with full power before it's too late. Aliens have been working on many projects to take over your society and gain access to your planet's rare resources that don't exist elsewhere. Earth is changing so fast and people are responsible for the degradation of forests and resources that have been granted to your society. Your planet has the sources that can terraform other planets if the right mindset has been adopted by all of you. Nobody knew about this before. The colonization of your solar system is just starting now, but you must protect and preserve your world first. Alien beings aren't here to help or save humanity, and they're doing all they can to take advantage here. You can't allow this to happen because you may lose your freedom to some alien races that only come here to acquire resources. They never care about humanity nor your problems. They will use your problems against you to manipulate your society for their own benefit. Luckily, you have a great chance to overcome the planetary changes and overthrow the alien presence if you unite and act now. There are great movements and awareness arising here on Earth. Many people are awakening now. People realized that it came to a point that the world must be saved as soon as possible. Climate change is worsening every year and deforestation is happening worldwide. Forests are extremely significant for the stability of ecosystems around the world, and you must begin the reforestation in every acre of land hereafter. Now is the time to do whatever it takes to save the world and build a more advanced and united human civilization on Earth that will reforest the entire world, save the animals, then terraform many other planets in the future. This is a magnificent prospect you've been granted in a greater plan for the universal creation. The universe is packed with barren worlds. Even aliens exist and come from desolate lands. Technology isn't able to transform dead planets and systems into green, fertile paradises. Technology isn't what you think. It's never the main goal in the universe. The more you focus on technology only, you waste the most resources and time for something that won't give you much in the long run. Nature's ecosystems, the planet's stability, sustainability, and vitality are the most important aspects of all life, even in other places in the cosmos. This is why you must focus on things that actually matter instead of technology, consumption, or the belief that some aliens will come and save you from yourselves. This is the beginning of a new age for humanity. You have to grow up and start giving your attention to fixing the problems you had for some time instead of blaming each other. Everyone's involved in this, so you must unite as one human race and build a more sustainable, free, aware, and green civilization here in a short time. Going vegan is a good beginning for everyone, but it won't solve all of the problems or save the world in a moment. There is a lot to be done. You must change your society altogether and understand that time is ticking. You can become gods of the universe if you can restore your planet to a better condition, then begin terraforming other planets like Mars or some moon suitable for terraforming. Aliens will never leave you alone. They'll try to contact, gain access, take advantage of every situation, so you're the ones that must overcome all the difficulties. One thing you can do is to plant trillions of trees to turn deserts and deforested lands into vast, sustainable forests. Forests are the most important sources you have in your world. Forests, trees, and plants can feed entire humanity, also provide all you need now and in the future. You can reverse the climate change if the majority of the population adopts a plant-based diet, plants trees, save the animals and invest in restoring Earth's ecosystem. After the colonization of some planets in your solar system, you can reach other uninhabited planets near your solar system to colonize and terraform. Many worlds can become Earth-like with terraforming technologies, renewable energies, and proper farming. Humanity has been created for a greater blueprint of the universe. That's one reason Earth incorporates so much biodiversity and life in its system. The human race and Earth have been planned by the Prime Creator to bring life to other planets and places in the universe, since most of the universe is either barren or dying. Planets like your world are destined to revitalize certain regions in the creation, but you must be careful about other alien species once you're out of your solar system. Aliens only tend to use and enslave the human race to fulfill their plans to benefit themselves. This is a grave danger that's lying ahead of you from now on. More people must awaken and unite to find new ways to restore the planet and establish a better society beneficial to each individual and living being. Don't fall under alien order or lose your beautiful planet's resources for the sake of greed and overconsumption. Go vegan, become gods of the universe, terraform the earth with forests and green communities. Reclaim your society and your planet. Get together to save the world and build a more sustainable, free, and green civilization that will progress the creation into the macro cosm.